Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chidera here. In case you're coming across my video for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back, alright? So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my ogbono soup. This ogbono soup, I made it with 2 leaves. So if you want to know how I made this ogbono soup, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, okay? So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients you'll be needing to make your ogbono soup. I have here my ogbono already blended. In here I have my beef and my cow skin. I have my crayfish here. Here I have my stockfish here. I have my Indian leaf. I have my pumpkin leaf, that's my oval. I have my yellow pepper. And I have my salt. I have my seasoning cube and palm oil. So that these are the only things I'll be needing to make this ogbono soup. Okay, let's start cooking around. So guys, I'll add my meat without I want my stockfish here. I'll throw in my I'm going to the next one. Going to spread the meat is frozen. So let's going to spread let it cook, okay? I will add the meat to cook. So guys, let's check on the meat. cover this and allow it for, I'll let it cook for 5 minutes, then I'll go in with my ogbono. So guys, I'll go in now with my ogbono. So what I did was just to add in oil and dissolve it in my bake. I'm going to boil the ogbono now. Going to stir. I'm not going to cover the pot. I'll just leave it like this and allow the ogbono. So I just added water, guys. I just added in my uziza leaf. I didn't know that my camera was not playing when I added it. Just added in my uziza leaf, and I will allow it now to cook for like 3 minutes before going in with my ugu leaf. Okay, feel free to use any leaf of your choice. You can use bitter leaf, you can use only uziza, you can use ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. But I'm using both uziza leaf and pumpkin leaf. Okay. So guys, I'll go in with my ugu leaf now. I'm going to stir this. I will bring it down immediately. My ogbono soup is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.